Hey, how's everybody doing? It's Alexander Insights back with another scalping recap, and we're going to go over the play that I took here on Microsoft. So we had this target here. We go to the daily chart. It was all-time highs from June 9th, 2025. That's fit data to the screen. We go here, yeah, all-time highs. Microsoft keeps jumping. Had a big jump off its earning and then pretty much just been vertical since then. So we're very bullish on Microsoft. Was pretty much only looking for upside plays in the market today. Before open, I had Google up, QQQ up, Nvidia up, Amazon up, Meta up, and AMD up, and Microsoft up. None of those actually other hit. I was looking for IWM too, but IWM really just didn't break its entry point. SPY is coming down in the morning, and then looks like it's having a reversal. Still in its opening range right now. Opening range being the first minute candle uh, of the market open. So right there. Staying kind of below it, but at the same time just really stalled right now, heading down on the SPY for the first 30 minutes of today. But we go to Microsoft once again. Microsoft heading bullish. We had this all-time highest target we wanted to play. So basically, it just kept going up and waited for an entry point before it came here. So you can see on this candle right here, this green candle, we were feeling like, oh, we wanted to get calls. It's going to hit it without us. This is our only play today. If I don't get this, then there's not going to be a play. I wasn't going to play any of these other plays because one, they weren't heading up. Honestly, they're all heading down opposite of where I wanted. And two, that means there's no entry points for me, so I can't play it. So after this, we wanted a red candle, and that's exactly what we got. We were going to play a red candle, and the next, after red candle, getting calls. So I could have gotten calls right here at this candle at 471, but I waited till an entry price. I put my entry price right here, pretty much a resistance, and when it broke it on this candle, so when I got in calls. So 650 I got in calls. I took it up to the target. Didn't hit the target exactly, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm just looking to scale out on different percentages, whether it be 10, then 15, then 20. And that's exactly what I did. So after we got in calls here, price went up. I started taking profit, I think at 15%, and then was fully out. Looks like it could hit the target right here exactly, but I'm going to consider this target pretty much hit. That was our play for the day, and after that, it's over. Um, so that's pretty much, that's really it. It's pretty much a short video. We had, once again, the target set here at all-time highs. News came out. Let's see what news we had. I forget what it was. Yeah, CPI, core CPI, 1 hour before the market opened. News came out. It actually hit that target. Same with SPY. You actually look at SPY's resistance. It's pretty funny. We hit its support at 106.0130. Pre-market, then news came out. We went up and hit that resistance at 605.65. I didn't put these there post hit or anything. These are my supports and resistances. Support at 106.27 and then resistance right there, 106.65. So looks like resistance kind of working. You can't see it here on the daily chart because it happened in pre-market when that resistance hit. But that's kind of, I think, why we're getting some down movement on SPY is that resistance didn't break. We're not heading up towards it again. If anything, we're going to hit that resistance again. We're going to see what happens, or we're just going to come down and reach the support. So that was the play today. Microsoft once again heading towards that all-time high. It's not exactly there yet, but let's see. If this, oh yeah, there you go. Now you got a breakage. So I would have played it again. I would have waited for an entry price to break right there, and then we could have swung that up more calls. Just let's see how far it breaks on the upside, because I imagine it's gonna push pretty far right now since it's having some strength past that all-time highs, or whether it just taps that all-time highs, people are going to take profit, and then it just stalls around again. So, well, there you go. Hit that all-time highs. It looks like it's reversing back to the downside. So a really quick play would have been right there. Would have entered, boom, got your 10%, boom, exited. Very fast. Very fast when you're scalping is the thing. You got to be very alert, very focused when you're in the play. Write down which price you got out, and what down the prices that you're going to get out at. You want to be very focused once you're scalping, because things will move very fast on you. Alright, I'm going to leave that for the video. Hope everyone has a good Wednesday, and thank you so much. Bye.